To the right, to the left. Keep it in the middle. You're doing a good job. Keep it in the middle. To the left. There you go. All right, straighten it up. Yeah, you're doing a super job, buddy. To the right a little bit. There you go. You're expert. To the left a little bit.
As a kid, yeah.
As a what?
As a kid.
As a kid.
Yeah.
You just a kid left.
I'm pretty sure some of my classmates don't know how to do this kind of stuff.
I'm sure they don't. Some of your classmates
I'm
probably.
pretty Jackson can fit into
Left.
his mom's
Left.
shoes. Jackson can fit into his mom's shoes. He's that big. You know Jackson.
Yeah.
He can fit into his mom's shoes.
He can fit into his mom's shoe.
Yeah.
Oh. I didn't know that. To the left a little bit. In the middle of the road. Look up. Well, we're doing 20 miles an hour. You're almost up to your daddy's left. Almost up to your daddy's speed. You're doing extra good. You're doing better than your daddy. To the right a little bit. To the right, harder. I'll slow down a little bit. To the right a little bit more. Middle of the road. I'll be quiet. You just handle it. Stay in the middle of the road. You're doing good. To the left a little bit. To the left a little bit. To the left. You having fun?
Yeah.
You're doing a good job. You ain't running to the left a little bit. You ain't running no ditch yet. You ain't no bump. Uh-oh, we're doing almost 25. We need to slow down. There we go. Don't panic, Robert. You ain't got to panic. I got my foot right here on the brake.
I'm really not panicking at all.
Okay, well just stay right in the middle of the road. I'm proud of you. I think you're doing great.
What was that?
Do what?
Bird. I saw a black bird.
What was it?
Pretty sure I saw a raven.
A raven.
Yeah.
Some kind of black bird.
Yeah.
Okay.
It had like a wings like a raven. You know how wings have like pretty good speed, like
To the left.
soft wings.
Yep, yep.
That's what it looks like it had.
Okay.
Ravens are kind of nice.
To the left. In the middle of the road. Yeah, I've seen that bird go by. To the right. Middle of the road. Middle of the road. To the left. Middle of the road. Probably going too fast for you?
No.
Alright. We're doing 20. Or we're doing 20. To the left. Middle of the road. Remember, all you got to do, Robert, remember the middle of the road. If they coming up through here, we just run them over.
It's like what SpongeBob said in the thing.
Yep, yep.
Focus on the road, nothing but the road.
That's right.
That's what you're supposed to do, not being on your phone like you and my daddy.
That's right. You're not supposed to be on your phone when you're driving like me and your daddy do.
You guys need to stop that because you guys can easily get in a wreck.
What you guys are going to do what?
When I grow up, I'm gonna not look at my phone while I'm driving.
Oh,
like
okay.
You guys do.
To the left. You're not supposed to look at your phone when you're driving, are you?
No.
No, you're not supposed to be doing that. No.
Why do you guys even do it?
You don't.
Usually when they call you on your phone while you're driving, you're not really supposed to answer
That's right.
until you call them back, and then you answer once you're stopped.
Middle of the road. Unless you got one of them fancy phones like your daddy's got, where you talk over the speakers in the car.
Yeah.
Yeah. Say, we got folks. We got folks.
Did they back with us?
Oh, just fine, middle of the road. Don't worry about all them. We don't live here. Middle of the road. Middle of the road. Middle of the road. I know. Just reminding you. Oop, bump. Yeah.
Now that may, if you tell me to move my road, I can understand that kind of walks my place.
All you gotta do is do that. Stay in the middle of the road. Who cares who's coming? We're not charging them nothing. All I want you to do is have fun. You have fun?
Yeah.
You can drive Paw Paws truck.
I really never drive your truck before, so.
What? Oop, big bump. Do what?
That I never tried to drive your truck before, so this is kind of new to me.
You doing all the hard work. I'm just
You
sitting
said that
there.
was a big bump that really wasn't that big.
It wasn't that big, no. But you doing all the hard work.
I know you're just pushing the pedal.
That's right.
You're keeping your
To the left. Oop, we might have to slow down a little bit. To the left. To the left, to the left, left. There you go. Straighten up. There you go.
This road is a little bit bumpier, like it slows us down a little bit more.
Yeah, in the middle of the road. That's, yeah, it slows us down a little bit.
I gotta try not to hit that.
Yeah, don't try not to do that. Yeah, that's a good idea.
That's why I'm
Right.
not in the middle of the road that much.
Yeah, we don't want to hit that. That would be bad.
Because we'd get mud all over and we'd get stuck.
Yeah.
Maybe stuck.
Watch the middle of the road. Well, we got mud area. There went Paw Paw's beautiful, clean truck. We'll be all right. To the right. Right. There you go. 10 and 2. I copy you. You may have to turn it a little up. Let go with one hand. Just turn it with one hand, Robert. When you have to turn real sharp, sometimes you have to let go with one hand where you can turn it sharp enough. See? Yep. All right, turn it back the other way. You're doing great. Middle of the road. Right. This goes for you. Uh-oh, we're doing 20 again. You a speed demon, ain't you? Turn left.
I know. I can see one thing in this road.
What's
There's
that?
kind of a little bit of a trail in the middle.
That's right. You know why? Because everybody rides down the middle, just like I'm telling you to do. That's why there's a trail in the middle. That makes sense? That way they don't accidentally run off the edge. Oops. To the left a little. Middle of the road. To the left. There you go. Up, skip periscope. Up, periscope. Left. Just stay in them tracks in the middle of the road. I think we got folk again. We got folk. We're around people again, Robert. Well, I guess what we supposed to do, be quiet or ride by. I think we just ride by. Yeah, you're a 9-year-old. I got a co-driver, see?
I'm surprised I can do this. Like, I may have you helping me, but
Left.
eventually when I'm like above, like tall enough for me to like push a pedal on my own, I'll be like just sitting here and just driving.
That's right. I'll sit over on the other side. No, I do like when you get big enough to touch the pedals, I can sit on the other side.
And just let me drive.
And let you drive.
And just give me instructions if I need to turn the
That's
middle
right.
or not.
That's right. When you get old enough to touch the pedals, yeah, I'm sitting over there. I might even drink beer. Oop, don't run up in the ditch. You look like you was about to. Another road. Stay in the trail. Middle of the road. Good at this, Robert. You must have drove that four-wheeler a lot.
I did. I can reach the pedals.
Oh, you can reach the pedals on it?
Yeah.
They let you use them?
Pedals?
To the
yeah.
left. To the left. We're going to be in the ditch.
Yeah, I could. They stay.
Not the left, son. They let you reach they let you use the pedals?
Yeah, I can use the pedal on myself.
Oh, you can go how fast you want
but
to?
they have the seatbelts off, so it won't go as fast.
Oh, okay. Get in the middle of the road.
It'll go only like 15.
Only like what?
Only like 15.
Oh, okay.
And my dad one time tricked me and put the seatbelts on and yeah, it went a little bit fast and I had it all the way down and then
Hard left.
put it back.
No, go straight. Go straight. I take that back. Go straight. Go that way. Go that way. Go that way. Go that way.
This way?
Yep, that way. Old co-driver. We're lost. Are you lost? Are you lost, driver?
Here's where we are.
Huh?
Here's where we are.
Oh, okay. As long as you know where we at, I don't know.
I don't even know where we're at.
You need to get in the middle of the road, son. Go to the left, Robert.
Left?
Yep, go to the left. Go to the left.
I know which way's left. And have you didn't say, oh no, I meant right. Because then I'll get, then we would
I
have
hope
to
we went the
go.
right way.
I haven't ever been down here, so that's.
Right there.
For some reason I want to take a break.
Do what?
I want to take a break. My hands are kind of hurting.
You want to take a break?
Yeah.
All right. Well, hold on just a second. We'll take a break.